In today's video, I will walk you through how to freeze or pause a video in CapCut PC. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a freeze frame to your video and adjust its duration directly on the timeline. First, add your video to your CapCut project and place it on the timeline so it is ready for editing. Once the video appears in the timeline, move the playback cursor to the exact point where you want the freeze frame to be created. Position the cursor carefully on the specific moment you want to pause so the correct frame is selected. After that, click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted and clearly selected for editing. Make sure the correct clip is active before continuing. Once selected, look at the row of editing tools located above the timeline where the main controls are displayed. From these tools, locate the freeze button positioned beside the crop icon, shown as a rectangle symbol with lines on both sides. Click on the freeze button to apply the effect at the selected point in the video. Once you click it, CapCut will automatically generate a freeze frame based on the exact frame where your playback cursor is placed, and this freeze frame will be inserted into your timeline as a separate segment. After the freeze frame is created, you can adjust how long it stays on screen by clicking on the edge of the freeze section in the timeline. Hold the edge carefully and drag it left or right to shorten or extend the duration depending on your preference. You can fine-tune the timing by adjusting either side until it matches the length you want for the pause effect. Once you release the mouse, the new duration will be applied automatically. If needed, you can continue adjusting the position of the freeze frame by dragging again until it is perfectly set. After completing your adjustments, move the playback cursor along the timeline and preview the result in the preview window to confirm the freeze effect is working correctly. The video will now pause smoothly at the selected moment and continue playing after the freeze frame ends. That is how you freeze or pause a video in CapCut PC.